Outdoor advertising is everywhere, from your commute to work to your neighborhood streets. If you've got your eyes open, chances are you'll see an ad or two anytime you leave the house. And as a small business owner, it's important to take advantage of every opportunity to get your name out there, whether that's your local community or those across town. In this video, we put together our top insights to help you harness the power of outdoor ads to grow your brand and boost your sales. So, let's get into it. Outdoor advertising gets results because the public spaces they leverage have huge reach, are often traveled through multiple times a day, and exist all over a city, from downtown to the outer suburbs. I mean, it's hard not to notice the enormous billboard on the side of the highway, or the posters surrounding you on the train to work. So, what are the most common types of outdoor advertising? First up, billboards. When you think of outdoor advertising, chances are you'll instantly think of billboards. They're designed for high visibility and instant clarity, and often incorporate colourful, eye-catching designs with a simple, clear message. And while traditional billboards are static, these days you can also find digital billboards that can display moving digital images, animations, and videos. Next up, posters. So shrink down a billboard and print it out on paper, and you've got a poster. They serve a similar purpose to billboards and come in a variety of sizes, finishes, and shapes. Posters are also super versatile, and you can find them stuck to lampposts, bus stops, shop windows, and any other spot with heavy foot traffic. Posters can contain a bit more information than billboards, as people are more likely to stop and read them up close. They can even have interactive elements like QR codes or tear-off tags. Another type of advertising is transit ads. Transit ads can be found in train or bus stations, as well as on the vehicles themselves. This kind of outdoor advertising is a popular choice, as commuters are a great audience to market to. You're almost guaranteed to have a large, regular audience to target, and there's plenty of time for them to engage with or read your content. Another option is mobile ads. No, these aren't ads placed on our phones. These are ads placed on mobile vehicles such as cars, trucks, or even living, breathing people. Because they can travel through different areas, mobile advertising can reach a diverse range of audiences that might otherwise be harder to find. A more artistic approach to outdoor advertising, wallscapes and murals are painted ads on the side of buildings, large walls, or even sometimes the street itself. They are often found in urban centres and, if done right, are extremely eye-catching and less invasive due to their aesthetic charm. And remember, when putting together your ads, from a shop window poster or a giant digital display, always follow these best practices. When it comes to your message, keep it simple and clear, and always include a call to action. When choosing where to place your ads, remember to do some research on how many people will be passing by and who they are. And above all else, always be consistent with your branding, as you don't want your outdoor ads to clash with the rest of your marketing, such as your online store or brick and mortar shop. By placing your ads on billboards, vehicles, and buildings, you can deliver a powerful message to a huge audience without having to worry about ad blockers, being put on mute, or someone simply turning the page of their magazine. For your next outdoor advertising adventure, check out VistaPrint's range of signage, including posters, banners, A-frames, and more, and boost your reach today. Until next time, see you out there.